Hey, Prince.
Hey.
This is my Orange Wing Amazon. This is Shaw Boogie the Freak Show. Knee Draggers race team. Philadelphia Knee Draggers. Well, we just, just sitting here
Hey.
feeding my little bird, my parrot. His name's Prince. He's a very intelligent bird. He's 5 months. He says hello. Say hi, Prince. Say hi to the people.
Give mommy a kiss? Give me a kiss.
Good bird. Yep. He loves giving kisses. He loves giving
Bird,
kisses.
Prince. Here. Tree. Good bird. It's good.
You want another kiss, Prince?
Want another treat? Want to give me another kiss? Maybe another good yogurt sunflower seeds treat? Huh? You do? Okay. That's good. Good bird. Good bird, Prince. That's good. Can you give mommy another kiss? You do? Alright. Give me that kiss. Good. Good bird. Good bird, Prince.
And that's Prince. YouTube. Knee Draggers, Philadelphia Knee Draggers, Shaw Boogie the Freak Show, Philly's fastest. Let's go.